Hi everybody, I'm Dave.
And I'm Brenda.
We are at the end of Marsh Bend Trail in the village of Deluna, at least the existing part of Deluna. Deluna is going to have a second phase that'll be coming up in the future months. And we want to check out what the construction looks like over there and how far along it is. So today we're going to give you an update of phase 2 of Deluna. We'll take the drone up, fly around, try and point out a few things that would be of interest. So you ready to go check out phase 2 of Deluna?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go. As I do in each of our videos, I try to orient you to the area we're going to talk about for that day. So, as a reminder, the area in red, that is the area of the villages that has been built out or is currently under construction. The area in blue is the continuing the dream section that'll be built out over the next years or decades. Today, we're going to be talking about Deluna Phase 2, but let's look at the original Deluna first. Deluna, you can see here, is right up against the Florida Turnpike. Now, this area has been built out now for a year or two. And phase 2 will be this area, dirt area to the side. Let me go ahead and put an outline on that. This is the area that now they're heavily preparing the land. I don't think it'll be too much longer before we see homes in that area. So let's go get the drone up and check it out. All right, our flight today is going to be over part 2 or phase 2 of Deluna. We're going to pop up a little high here for a moment, spin around and kind of let you get your bearings of where we're at. All right, that is the Florida Turnpike. And what you're looking at on the other side is the future village of Richmond. And then that body of water is Lake Okahumpka. As we keep spinning to the right, that'll be going into the future village of St. John. And the Water Lily Bridge is right there. That's the bridge that the golf carts take from Deluna across the turnpike. Now, this part here is the existing section of Deluna. And I'll let you get a quick glimpse of that as we spin around, and we're going to see where Deluna is going to continue. Now, Marsh Bend Trail is directly underneath, well, a little bit below us. It's actually to the left of me. I'm over a grassy area beside Marsh Bend Trail. Now, here is the new section of Deluna. We're going to go out there and check it out. Can't take a golf cart in there. The road is closed. Let you get a little view of where we're at. I'll kind of tilt down just for a second so you can see that is Marsh Bend Trail. And right there is the end of Marsh Bend Trail. Now Brenda's here. She's going to probably not be saying a whole lot because she is partly my eyes as I'm watching what's on our screen here.
I'm the spotter.
She is spotting.
I'm already spotting.
Yeah. All right, what I want to do is let's go follow where Marsh Bend Trail is going to go. I'm going to drop down a little bit and we'll move forward. All right, again, that's Marsh Bend Trail below us. And we're just going to kind of cruise along with Marsh Bend Trail and show where it goes to. It kind of curves and meanders, eventually going over to Route 301. Let me come over a little bit. I want to stay off of the roadway in case there's any workers down there. Now the recreation center, the future recreation center of, they call it Deluna Recreation. It's a neighborhood type area, pool. It's not a full recreation center with meeting rooms, at least that's not what has been announced. What I've seen, and cut over this way a little bit so we don't run over top of that guy. What I've seen announced, it's going to be a family pool. I imagine it'll have a postal station there. And what was interesting for a neighborhood area, it's also going to have pickleball and tennis. So that's not typical of your family or your neighborhood pools. Now, again, it was going to be a family pool also, so it's not going to be an adult pool. Now, right in here, let's see if I can find where it's at. Right in this general area is where the recreation center is going to be. Let's see if we can find it here with some of the layouts of the pipes. It's going to be basically here. I think we're looking right below that area right there is where it should end up. Let's see if we can drop down a little, get it in view. Now, right in here should be the recreation center, because that's the curve for Marsh Bend Trail. It's going to curve right around by the recreation center, and it kind of looks like maybe there'll be a roundabout in that area. We'll see if that comes together, but I think that's going to be a roundabout in here. All right, let's continue down Marsh Bend Trail. Actually, I'm going to turn here. This is where, if you've been watching in the area, over that direction, that is where most of the construction vehicles have been coming in to the area off of 301 near the turnpike. That I don't think is going to stay open. I think the Marsh Bend Trail is going to curve around to the left. We'll follow that in a minute. And that construction entrance eventually will close. All right, let's spin back around and follow Marsh Bend Trail. You can see here where the roadway is kind of obvious right below. That's that wide section. That's Marsh Bend Trail. And at the end of this video, as we come back, I'm going to show you areas, the roadways are almost done, the street lights are in, and then we'll speculate on when we think the construction or the homes will start going in. Climb up a little bit here. Now, these are power lines. There are power lines in this one section of Deluna. And right there, it looks where Marsh Bend Trails will come out on Route 301. Now, that's pretty far south from where the construction entrance is. I'll turn this way so you can see that's all 301 going up to the Florida Turnpike. Now, 301 does have an interchange to get on the turnpike, which is pretty handy for those that need turnpike access. I'm curious if this Marsh Bend Trail ends up being a cut through for many people to go and get to the closest turnpike entrance. And that may be why they've left this so far south, is to discourage people from going through the neighborhood so it doesn't make it a lot closer for those of us over in the McClure area or something like that to come through the neighborhood to get to the turnpike. All right, let me spin back this towards where we started from. And this is where I think it's getting kind of interesting. See the roadways? Many of these roadways are ready to be paved. I think that's just crush. I don't think that has pavement on it yet, but it's very close. And some of these areas actually have light poles. So you can see the shapes of the lots. And you can also see right there, there's sort of a marshy preserve area that is encircled by the home. So there's going to be a lot of view sites. Of course, there'll be interior sites too. The view sites usually run a little expensive, but it looks like there'll be several of those in here. All right, let's keep flying over this. I'll get down into an area near where this water is, and let's drop down low. See if we can see how the street lights look. I do have, hopefully I have telemetry up on the screen. You can kind of see what we're doing, what heights we're flying. There we go. Getting a little bit lower now. We can kind of see what these roads look like. I'd love to get in here with a golf cart, but
In time.
in time. Can't do that yet. You can see the curbing is in, so next part will be putting some pavement on. Now, this is a weekday that we're out. We are at lunchtime, so a lot of the vehicles have shut down. They do take a strict lunch period. Everything seems to come to a halt. You see all the ponds are ready to go. And as we get over this way, you start to see, I believe we'll see some street lights. On my little screen here, it's hard to tell. When I get it on the computer, it should show up. But I think we got some street lights in view there. So I don't think it's going to be long. Now, from what I'm hearing, I think St. John is next on the list for homes to start. And then I think this will be up next. I think it's going to be before Richmond. This is much farther along than the Village of Richmond. But I think it's still going to be several months. I'll say we're in a 3 to 6 month period before you start seeing foundations. Again, that's just my speculation. I don't have any inside sources. I'm just going by what it looks like.
And then we can tell how accurate your speculation is on this one.
And we're flying back over to where we started. Again, you can see off in the distance across there, that's Richmond and St. John. And we're up fairly high now. I'll give right about here, I'm going to spin around and give you a last look at St. John. And there's the area I think is getting pretty close to being ready to put some homes on. All right, let's bring this in for a landing. Hopefully this worked out well. And let me know what you think of the live recording of audio while we're flying. Something new I'm trying. I don't know if I'll do it every time that way, but rather than voiceover afterwards, let you know you can see exactly what we're seeing and what we're thinking at the time. Yeah, bringing her on in for a landing. It only comes down so slow. We'll keep it going until you can see us. I don't think I have you in view yet, Brenda. Brenda's waving.
I'm already waving. I've had it in view for so long, I'm just waving.
All right, well, hopefully that was helpful information. We'll keep an eye on Deluna Phase 2, and so you'll know exactly what's happening over here. I appreciate you guys out there have been subscribing. If you haven't done that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It should be right over there in the corner. Hit that, and if you go on the YouTube page, there's an area you can hit the bell. Ring the bell, and it'll notify you next time we explore the villages. See you next time.